Hello, and welcome to pdxMindShares, sponsored by Anvil Media, an award-winning digital marketing agency based in Portland, Oregon. And we're here giving Portland career tips to help you get hired. For our first episode, we'll be giving advice on how to job search during this current economic climate brought on by COVID-19. And yes, a wonderful time to start a podcast. If you're job searching right now, it might be due to COVID layoffs or being furloughed. Or maybe you're just looking at your options now that you have some free time. Whatever it is, we recommend talking to your previous or current employer as you transition out to find what resources are available to you. And you can also go to the Oregon Unemployment website. You're not alone. You have options. Now that we've got all that legal stuff out of the way, welcome to our first episode. Now that you have free time at home during this self-isolation period, it's a really good time to identify your skills and interests and reevaluate your options. I recommend expanding your search pool to maybe something you haven't considered before, a job title or industry that you haven't dipped your toe in yet. A great way to make yourself eligible for that and stand out from the crowd is to use this time in self-isolation to take some online courses or online certification tests to expand your skills and interests. It'll also add value and energy to your life and keep yourself busy while we're all stuck at home. My second piece of advice is to stay connected. Network. And what's great about this time period is you can do it digitally. Make someone's day by messaging them on LinkedIn and asking them for a cute virtual coffee date. Everyone wants to hear from someone right now. We all want to be connected, and it'll make them feel good for you to reach out. It'll also give you the opportunity to connect with someone who may be at your dream company or one of the companies that are on your list. By setting up a virtual coffee date or Zoom meeting, you can get a feel for the team culture and the company environment. It's like getting insider secrets. And I also want to say it's okay to not be okay. I know a lot of companies might be turning you down or not continuing with the interview process because due to COVID-19 they may not be able to hire right now, and that can be really frustrating and discouraging, but don't let that struggle completely discourage you. Companies are still hiring right now, and we highly encourage you to continue job search. My next piece of advice would be to focus your job search, both to avoid stress and also to make the best impressions. You could put your all into this job application. If you focus your job search to 3 to 5 job applications at a time, you can really up your game and bring your all, and even do a pre-interview project to show them that you can do the job even before you get the job. My last piece of advice would be to refresh your resume and cover letter. You want both of these documents to represent these new skills that you've acquired in your home isolation. You also want it to represent any relevant experience. You may have extra experience that you've gained from volunteering or freelancing and keeping yourself busy at this time, or relevant past experience that you hadn't considered would be relevant for this new position. We have more on refreshing resumes and cover letters that we'll cover in another episode, so you'll definitely want to keep listening. And that's a wrap on this. Keep listening and follow our blog at pdxMindShare.com/our-blog. And thank you for listening. It's been a pleasure giving you advice on what to do with your COVID-19 job search. This is pdxMindShares, sponsored by Anvil Media, a Portland-based digital agency, and we're giving advice to Portlanders to help your job search.